So hello guys, welcome back to Vishal Peripherals, and today we got something very big which is definitely going to blow your brains out. AMD has just launched its new graphic card and this could shake the entire market.
And this particular one right over here is called as the RX 9060 XT Steel Legend from ASRock.
And now let's take a closer look on this and find out what is this graphic card made of. First of all, this particular graphic card belongs to RX 9000 series graphic cards, and these graphic cards are performing really well in the market right now. And this one over here is a perfect example of perfect balance and efficiency because it is a 16 GB DDR6 graphic card with a memory speed of 20 GB per second and 128-bit memory interface. It can render all your gaming and video graphics just like this. This comes with a triple fan design and stylish metal backplate and gets a 10 on 10 for its build quality with boost frequency up to 3130 MHz and game frequency of 2530 MHz, and this makes this GPU unstoppable. And to make it more efficient, AMD has installed 32 Ray Accelerators, 64 AI Accelerators and 32 compute units for its better efficiency. With HDMI 4K support to make your graphics look even more better, and the requirement for this GPU is typical board power of 160 watts and minimum of 450 watts PSU. So if you want to buy this AMD Beast GPU, just log on to our website which is www.vishalperipherals.com or just walk into our nearby Vishal Computech. Thank you and see you guys next time.